Hello guys, welcome back again to another Tools and Gadgets. Today we're not going to be talking about any gadgets to review or to unbox. Today I'm going to show you 3 mobile apps that I currently use to earn extra money, extra dollars. Yeah, who wouldn't want that, right? So due to the pandemic, many people are currently unemployed. So a lot of people are looking ways to make money online. I have been testing actually quite a few apps, but these are my 3 favorite apps that does really pay out. So some apps just pays you gift certificates, while these 3 apps that I'm currently using does also pay gift certificates, but you have the option to withdraw as a virtual Visa card, which is good because you can use that virtual Visa card anywhere online. Also, if you're a fan of Amazon, you can also cash out for Amazon gift cards. And take note, I have tested all of these apps, all these 3 apps, and they're 100% legit. Okay, so this is not a marketing gimmick or a scam that says that you can earn $300 a day. Well, I don't know where you get that, but that's really impossible if you don't have a stable job. So if you're just gonna do online surveys, online gigs, then the best you could do is around $5 to $10 per hour. And right now, I'm gonna show to you my number 3 mobile app that I'm using to get extra money. Let's go into our phone. So the first app that I'm gonna show to you is Surveys on the Go. So Surveys on the Go, it's more in like sharing your opinions, your experience, so it's more like a survey still. But I have really tried this, guys, and I'm gonna show to you on screen my payout history. So currently I earned around roughly just shy of 100, I think. So in just this one app, so basically I do not do any surveys regularly on my spare time, so I get extra cash. So the beauty of this, guys, is that you can cash out, but there's a $10 threshold before you can cash out. So you can cash out for Amazon gift card, Visa, Starbucks, and PayPal. So personally, I do use the Amazon gift card and the Visa a lot. The PayPal, I did not use PayPal because when you use PayPal, the account that you're using should also match the PayPal address. So which I did not know before I did sign up to this app. So I used a different email, different from my PayPal account. So yeah, I could not cash out through PayPal here. So I'm just cashing out through Visa, virtual Visa card, and Amazon gift card. So you can do here the surveys. Right now there's a ton of surveys for you to answer. Opinions, experience, special opportunity, leisure, 500 surprise giveaway. So sample for this limited time, you're just gonna answer for 10 minutes. So they're gonna be giving you throwing you questions, and you're just gonna fill that out, and you get $2.50 for 10 minutes. So for me, Surveys on the Go has been really reliable, and I did not get any failed cash outs. So every time I cash out, I really do get the money. When you cash out, it'll take time. If their server is kind of bit busy, expect your cash out to receive within 2 days. But if they're not busy, their servers are not busy, usually I receive my gift card or virtual Visa card just after 5 minutes. The number 2 app that I'm going to show to you is Eureka. So right now, Eureka, I've been using this also since last year on my spare time. And as you can see here, it's also a survey app. You can earn 73 cents for 5 minutes of your time. 63 cents for 8 minutes of your time. So yeah, it depends on you. Me personally, I would like to do the small money and less period of time to finish. So for example, this 8 cents for 2 minutes. So basically it's up to you and what you're gonna do, but you can finish all of these. And when you finish all of these on the screen, you can get, they will give you more surveys to do. So my cash outs, let's check out my cash outs. Oh, it's here. So as you can see, my lifetime earning is $115, 166 surveys completed. Yeah, and what I like about these guys, the Eureka, when you cash out, there's a threshold also, which is $10. So when you cash out at $10 or 11 or 12, it all depends on you, as long as it's above $10. So Eureka will give you automatically $3 when you cash out. So your starting balance would always be $3. So you're just gonna reach $10, then after that you can cash out again, and they give you another $3 to start again. So you just need to get $7 more to cash out again. So yeah, that's what I like about Eureka. So you can cash out through Visa virtual card, or through PayPal, Amazon gift card, or directly through your bank, Starbucks card, Target, and Walmart. And there are lots more, guys. There are lots more underneath here. Take note, guys, I just do this surveys during my pastimes when I'm doing nothing. Okay, so on to the number one mobile app that I'm using to earn extra cash is KillMe. So probably you did not hear about KillMe yet, and you just heard about Swagbucks, because that's the famous one, that's the most famous one. So KillMe, guys, on the other hand, is my number one favorite because you can cash out anytime. So even if it's just $1 that you earn, you can cash out it already. And as you can see here, there are surveys. This is also a survey. Okay, so on 6 minutes of work, you get 43 cents. So when you click that, so you can see people, users take on an average on a survey, it's 4 to 9 minutes, so the average is 6 minutes. So here you can see there's $1.44 for 20 minutes of survey, $1.24 for 11 minutes of survey. So it's really just up to you guys. So when you see those, you better hurry up and click it, because it will be gone. Somebody might, because there is a limit on the maximum people that can join the survey. So when that's reached, it will already be gone. So as you can see here on top, the pigs here on top. So when you complete that 5 pigs, which is, you can get 10% increase on your daily survey. And here on the next one, you get cashbacks, you get deals, and gaming. So it's currently not available on iOS. But basically, guys, this is what I've been doing here. It's just here. So as you can see, there's just a little surveys here to fill. But then when you refresh it, when you're done with all of these, they just keep adding and adding. So let's get on to my cash outs. So my total earning for this year is $123.99. So that's just this year. I don't know if I can see last year. So yeah, you just basically click the gift cards if you like to cash out with gift cards, or you can just simply click PayPal. So you have to link your PayPal account, and there's no minimum, guys. So if you want to withdraw 10 cents, 50 cents, $10, as long as it's in with the PayPal limits, then you can cash out from KillMe. So this way, this is my number one mobile app to earn money because you can cash out anytime you like. And also guys, be sure to finish all your profile details. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm 100% perfect. So by doing this, there's more chance of you getting more surveys when you finish all of these. So don't skip that. Yeah, so that's about it guys. So that's how I earn extra money, but you can do it anywhere. You can do it in Asia, in Europe, and it will automatically go into your PayPal account, or you can claim as gift cards. I hope I did inspire some of you right now to get onto this gig, this online gig, especially the ones who are not doing anything, and make extra income. So once again guys, if you do like this video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below, and see you again in our next vlog. Bye!